Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to enable FTP access in WHM. To enable FTP access from WHM, log into WHM with root access. From the left sidebar, go to Service Configuration option. Click on the FTP server selection icon. Choose between Pure FTPD or Pro FTPD to enable FTP accounts. You can make the selection by reading the advantages, disadvantages, and notes of the FTP servers. Click on Save to activate. WHM will begin the installation process of the FTP servers. It will take some time to complete the installation and conversion of the FTP servers, after which a success message will appear at the end. Now, you will have to edit the server configuration for the FTP account. You can directly access the configuration interface by clicking the link FTP Server Configuration. If you choose to do it later, you will have to access the configuration tool after relogging the WHM account. To edit the FTP server configuration, log into WHM with root access. From the left sidebar, go to Service Configuration option. Click on FTP Server Configuration option. A panel will appear where you can modify the settings. WHM makes it easier to understand the settings by giving a brief description of each field. Once you have configured all the settings, click on Save at the end of the page. WHM will apply the changes you saved and configure the servers. That's how you can enable FTP access in WHM. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.